Today we're going to look at the definitive list of trading brokers, the top 5 brokers for beginners. These are active trading brokers, they are not investing platforms. There is a difference and we'll get into that as well, but we'll look at fees, we'll look at platform experience, and we'll look at much more, including instruments to trade. So which one is best for you? Let's get into it. So just before we get started, it's worth noting that there is a difference between trading and investing. This is not for investing. Investing platforms are things like Trading212, eToro, a couple of other platforms that you have just downloaded to your app, like Revolut and Monzo. They also offer investing. This is not for that. This is for active trading and traders only. So if you're looking for that, we will have another video coming out on that. So subscribe to our channel, but that is not what this video is for. It is for actively trading. So with that out of the way, let's look at our number 5 broker, which is XTB. So XTB, ironically, is actually both a trading platform and an investing platform. So they offer stocks and shares ISAs and cash ISA returns, but they also have a fantastic trading platform in XStation 5. This is a proprietary platform that they offer. I recommend it. I think it's a fantastic platform for beginners. If you've used TradingView before, then this is a very similar platform to that. They have news, they have articles, and generally it's a really easy platform for beginners. So XStation 5 and XTB in general is my number 5 broker. You can sign up with a demo account and play around for free, and you'll see how easy it is to use. XTB is actually a Polish-based company licensed by the FCA to operate in the UK, so it does have its FCA credentials, but you can get started quickly and easily with XTB and start investing in stocks and shares ISAs, cash ISAs, and start trading really easily. And number 4 is CMC. CMC is a UK broker that is massive, regulated by the FCA, but also more geared towards intermediate and advanced level traders. They focus on something very specific, which is thematic trading. So it's very similar to, if you've been on Trading212, they have energy, metals, different kind of sectors that you can invest in. That is really what CMC is good at, but for trading. So if you like thematic trading, then I would look at CMC as a potential option for you. It kind of fits that need really well. However, its platform experience is lacking. So if you are brand new to trading and you open the CMC platform, you will find it slightly overwhelming and slightly confusing. So they offer both spread betting and CFD trading, which is great for UK traders, but their platform experience is very hard to understand. I encountered difficulties when just trying to open it and open more than one tab. It said that I'd reached my limit. So you'll find that opening this and using this effectively does take a bit of getting used to. CMC offers 12,000 plus instruments to trade, so there's a wide variety. In fact, one of the largest variety of things to trade, aside from one of the other brokers on this list, is actually ranking number 2 for the number of instruments to trade, which is why I recommend it for beginners. I think you can have a wide variety of things to trade and dabble here and there with CMC. You will ultimately come back to something like a CMC in future once you get more experience, but generally it's not great for beginners just getting started. And number 3 is Vantage Markets. Vantage Markets offers a great platform for beginners, CFD trading, spread betting, and generally a really intuitive platform to get started with. It also offers a Raw ECN account, which despite its name is actually quite simple. It just means that you have fixed commissions each way when you trade. This is at £2 for UK traders. It gives you an opportunity to enter at the price if you're a scalper or a day trader, meaning that you're not entered wildly below or wildly above the price, but you're entered at the price and you know fixed costs each way, £2, which is fantastic for beginners. The customer service is great as well, but the platform is really easy to use. If you've used TradingView, again, they generally just use an iframe, most companies do, of the TradingView setup and then add their broker layer on top. But it's very competitive for spreads as well. If you're looking at variable spreads, it's quite a competitive broker. And number 2 is IG. IG is a great platform for both beginners, intermediate and advanced level traders. The reason I recommend this for beginners is it has something called IG Academy. IG Academy has videos, articles, webinars for beginner to advanced level trading. So it gives you that comprehensive educational kind of wraparound for beginner traders. And they also provide over 16,000 instruments to trade, like ETFs, stocks, commodities, and much more. My recommendation for using IG would be to start with their web trader experience. It's relatively simple to use, it's not too difficult, but they also plug into TradingView, MT4, MT5, and offer different kind of platforms for more experienced traders as well, which I'm not going to access yet, but L2 Dealer and Pro Real Time are some of their more advanced platforms. But if you're a general retail trader, you'll be looking at their web trader experience or plugging them into TradingView. The only reason that IG is not number one is that they don't offer a fixed commission-based trading system, so it's not great for people who are scalping. It's more geared towards those people who are day trading, swing trading, or even investing. And at number one, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is great for all kinds of traders, whether you're a scalper, day trader, or swing trader. They offer CFD trading, spread betting, and they also offer a Razor account, which is very similar to something like a Vantage Raw ECN account. Essentially, it's a fixed commission, so you know what your trading costs are up front. So it's very useful for beginners. Their educational content is one of the best as well. They're second to only IG in terms of their educational offering. They have webinars, videos, articles, it comes out daily. They have market news. Very comprehensive broker for news and education, and great for a beginner to get started. So they plug into MetaTrader and they also plug into TradingView, so you can get started with your preferred platform as well and just plug them straight in. What's the best broker for day trading? Well, if I was to choose out of the list, I would say the best broker for day trading is probably IG. IG has, as I mentioned, 6,000 plus different instruments you can trade, which is a fantastic range for day traders, and it's more geared towards those people who are day trading, swing trading, or even investing. The best broker for scalping would be Pepperstone or Vantage Markets offer the fixed Razor or Raw ECN accounts. This means your costs are fixed, you're entered at the price, so they're great for scalping on 5 to 15 minute charts. So which broker is best for true beginners? If you're a true beginner and you know nothing, then the best place to start would be IG Academy. Have a look at IG Academy, have a look at Pepperstone's educational materials, get up to scratch, get up to speed. Don't go on TikTok, don't go on Instagram, don't start looking at the success. Start with true grounded foundational material from IG and Pepperstone. So which broker is best for beginners who are at the end of their kind of beginner journey and more looking at intermediate or advanced level brokers? I would have a look at IG or CMC. We actually have a video breaking down the differences between IG and CMC and which one might be better for you, so you can check that video out on our channel as well, but that's who I'd choose next after I've started with perhaps a Pepperstone or a Vantage Markets or an XTB. I would migrate into a IG or a CMC. If you're looking for a full breakdown of which brokers are best for beginners, then visit tradingbrokers.co.uk or subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.